So I want to talk about variety. That's what's going to be the topic of this video, variety. So we need variety. So just imagine you stand on your block and every house on your block look exactly, and I mean exactly identical. Like you can't tell the difference between the two. You can't contrast between the two. Every house on your block look the same. Your yard, your car, your door. How would you know what was your house if you was coming home from work or coming home from the club or just coming home? How would you know? Variety. So just imagine you on the street and you driving and everything you see was the same. Everything is just identical the same. How would you know where you supposed to go? Variety. So put this in proper perspective. We need variety. Variety is needed. That's why it's so important for you to be you. We need you to be you. So let's look at this from a bigger perspective. I'm a video director. I make scripts, I make plays, I make movies. You know what I'm saying? So in every movie, we gonna need the main character, we gonna need extras, we gonna need a hype man, we gonna need these different roles. But if everybody wanna be the main character, the starring character, how would the movie fulfill its purpose? So looking at this from a bigger perspective on this 20 movies that I may be producing or finna publish, out of these 20 movies, we're gonna have a group of people that's the main characters. We're gonna have a group of people that's the extras. We're gonna have a group of people that's the hype. We're gonna have varieties for all sections. So to kind of link this up, you know what I mean, in conclusion, you have to be you. And when it comes down to marketing your music, I personally feel like it's two groups. You got the normal people and you got the cool people. You got cool people and you got normal people. You got good music and you got great music and you got cool music. Now with this, it's a lot of cool people that make cool music, and that's cool. But you got a lot of normal people that's trying to be cool, making cool music, and it ain't you. We need you to be you. So if I was to give you a marketing strategy, how to target your audience, you gotta find out who you are. Everybody can't be the same. We need cool people and their music. Then we need normal people to cater to normal people and make just great music. Because everybody can't be the same. They all can't be the same. And when you all being the same, you really fucking up the game. And that's what's going on in today's game. Everybody sound the same. Everybody trying to refer their music or reference their music to this reference track. Everybody being the same. You cut on the radio, it's all sounding the same. So we need you to be you. So the evolution can progress. We need variety. So figure out your topic. First figure out who you are. Then figure out your point of view. And if you're a cool person, then cool, make your cool music. But I'm not saying that you limited to that cool music though. But if you're a normal person, just make normal music. Make great music for normal people. So when I say normal, the normal person is working on a 9 to 5. You know what I mean? Just a normal person. Because you could have raised it as that normal person that couldn't afford, maybe your folks as a kid couldn't afford the latest trends. Maybe you never really fitted in. So that made you an outlaw, a misfit, a normal person. You see what I'm saying? So quite naturally, you normal, so you really can't make cool music. You're not gonna make cool music. Your music may touch. It may be in you to touch people that's a misfit, the outlaw. You can still make great music for that normal people, but you got to be you. Cater to them. Everybody can't make cool music. You know what I'm saying? So my gift to you, if this was a marketing strategy, I would say first find out who you are as a person. You know what I mean? If you're a cool music, you that cool person that's always creating the latest trends, you in the club, you know what I'm saying? Naturally, you gonna make music for them, cool music. But if you're a normal person, and this is the sidebar too, we got a lot of normal people that's lost in the sauce. When I say lost in the sauce, you don't really know who you are. But just because you got a friend, they got other friend, you know what I mean, that's part of this trend, and you lost in the sauce, you trying to be like the trend, you trying to be like that group, when that really ain't you. You ain't found yourself. So it's important for you to find yourself, because you are needed in this great link of the chain. So if you're a normal person, cater to normal people. And only you know that. You know that from your experiences, that the things you encounter. That's what certify you to talk about whatever it is that you meant to talk about. If I went through a whole lot of domestic violence, if I was a real violent person or a drug addict, quite naturally, I'm certified. Once I conquer my obstacles, I'm certified in that field. So why wouldn't I talk about domestic violence or drug addictions? If I'm a cool person, I've always been setting the trends. I've always had people mimicking my styles. I've always made cool music. I said cool music for cool people in the club. Then quite naturally, that's what I'm gonna target. So when finding your target audience, you gotta first find yourself, and then once you find yourself, man, you cater to them, and don't sway too far left or too far right. Just be known for that thing. So that's my gift to you in conclusion, man. If this was a marketing strategy, you have to figure out who you are. Are you a normal person or you a cool person? We got cool music and we got great music. You know what I'm saying? It's great music that's by normal people. Normal people creating great music. We got this cool people or cool group of people that's creating this cool music, but both of them need it. Find your lane. And by all means, target to your audience, bro, because you're doing the world a disservice by you not catering to them. They need you. Everybody need it. So be you.